AI will take over the world. That was the big debate in 2023 and 2024. But today, the conversation has completely flipped. We're no longer asking us if AI will replace us. Instead, we're wondering how we ever work without it. AI has become an indispensable tool. It has streamlined everything from content creation to SEO automation. Keyword research, content writing, and link building, tasks that used to take hours, can now be done in minutes with better accuracy and zero manual effort. And if you're still doing SEO the old school way, I'm about to show you how you can build a team of SEO AI agents and save hundreds of hours by automating all of this. So what exactly are SEO agents? Think of them as digital workers designed to automate SEO tasks. Instead of hiring a team of SEO specialists, you can use AI-powered tools that perform the same tasks, often faster and cheaper. In fact, research by the SEO Provy shows 86% of SEO professionals have already integrated AI into their strategy. And businesses that use AI for SEO are seeing real results. So if you're not using AI for SEO yet, it's about time you do. And I'm going to show you how you can build that without any coding experience. But before we get into the how-to, let's compare traditional SEO teams with AI-powered SEO agents. A traditional SEO team usually includes specialists for keyword research, content writing, on-page optimization, link building, and reporting. The problem is, it's expensive, time-consuming, and limited by human capacity. On the other hand, AI SEO agents are scalable, cost-effective, and they work 24/7. They don't get tired, they don't need salaries, and they don't take vacations. Plus, they continuously improve by learning from data. In short, AI agents can do what a human SEO team does at a fraction of the cost and time. Now let's get into the fun part, building your SEO AI team. We're going to set up AI agents for each major SEO task. One keyword research AI agent, the foundation of SEO, starts with finding the right keywords. But manually checking keyword data every week, that's outdated and time-consuming. By the time you're done, search trends may have already shifted. So instead, let's automate the entire process using Make.com, a no-code automation tool, so you can always have fresh keywords insights without any manual effort. First, sign up for Make.com and create a workflow. This will act as an automated system pulling keyword data on a set schedule. Next, connect either SEMrush API or Ahrefs API. I prefer using Ahrefs, but both are great tools to fetch real-time keyword data insights without logging in manually. To keep things running automatically, set up a trigger in Make.com, whether that's weekly, monthly, or even daily. But pulling data alone isn't enough. You need to filter out the noise and the focus on high volume, low competition keywords. By integrating OpenAI API, you can set up an AI-powered filter to sort and analyze the best keyword opportunity. Finally, store your keyword insights in Google Sheets, Notion, or Airtable for easy access. To stay ahead of competitors, set up Slack or email alerts so it's instantly notified whether a high potential keyword appears, and say goodbye to manual research. 2. Content writing AI agent. Now that we have our keywords, it's time to turn them into high quality content. But the catch is we're not writing anything from scratch. AI writing tools generate great content, but why stop at just one? We use a chain of multiple AI agents, connecting them using Make.com and automating the process for research, fact-checking, and editing all in one go. Starting with ChatGPT to generate the initial block structure and draft, then Claude AI helps to refine the tone and improve readability to ensure the content flows naturally. And next comes in Perplexity AI, and this tool specializes in fact-checking and pulling relevant research to make the content accurate and well supported. Here, you can also add Surfer SEO to the chain to check the on-page optimization. But this is optional and totally up to you. But to get the best results, you need to train the AI to match your brand's voice and style. This can be done by setting up a pre-trained prompt template, ensuring that every piece of content feels consistent, natural, and engaging. And to eliminate the need for manual publishing, you can automate the process using Make.com. You can also use Zapier here and connect it to WordPress or any content management system for auto publishing. Once everything is set up, your content goes live automatically without any manual uploads required. This way, your AI agent handles everything for you, freeing up your time to focus on strategy and growth. 3. On-page SEO agent. Creating content is one thing, but making sure Google actually ranks it is another. And that's where on-page SEO comes in. Before publishing any article, it's essential to optimize it for search engines while keeping readability in check. Tools like Server SEO and Neuron Writer help ensure that keywords are naturally placed throughout the content. These tools analyze top ranking pages and provide real-time recommendations to improve SEO performance. Beyond keyword optimization, ClearScope plays a crucial role in refining readability and SEO best practices. It makes sure the content is clear, well-organized, and informative for readers. But manual optimization takes time. Missing even a small detail like meta description or internal links can impact rankings a lot. To automate this entire process, you can integrate Make.com with ChatGPT's API, and this setup automatically generates meta descriptions and image alt text for you. Another common challenge is keeping your visuals consistent. We don't want our brand image to look inconsistent, right? To automate this, you can use DALL-E 3 and use the pre-designed style guides to make sure your brand's aesthetic remains consistent. If you want your own copy of the style guide, you can grab it from the description below, and you can easily set up a workflow in Make.com and connect DALL-E 3 with your current content management system. This way, whenever a new blog post is drafted, the system sends a request to DALL-E 3 and generates an image based on your preset style rules without you having to put any work. And this whole process ensures nothing is overlooked. Once the content is live, it's fully optimized from the start to finish. Link building has always been one of the most time-consuming and frustrating aspects of SEO. Manually finding backlink opportunities, reaching out to website owners, and following up takes hours of effort. And even then, responses aren't guaranteed. But with AI-driven automation, this entire process can be streamlined without sacrificing personalization. Tools like BuzzStream and Pitchbox make outreach easy by automatically identifying high-authority websites that are likely to link back to your content. But finding websites isn't enough. You need the right contact. That's where Apollo comes in. It scrapes email addresses from target sites so you can reach out directly to decision makers instead of sending cold emails to generic inboxes. Once you have the right contacts, ChatGPT helps with personalized human-like outreach emails. So you're actually engaging in meaningful conversations. And instead of manually tracking responses and following up, Make.com automates the entire follow-up process, ensuring that your outreach stays consistent without you having to lift a finger. If your website takes longer to load than it does to microwave a pizza, it's already costing you rankings. Technical SEO is often the most overlooked yet critical part of ranking on Google. Broken links, slow loading pages, and indexing errors can silently kill your rankings. And by the time you notice, it's already too late. But with tools like Screaming Frog and Sitebulb, you can schedule automatic site audits to continuously monitor your website for errors. These audits check for broken links, missing metadata, duplicate content, and other issues that could be holding your site back. Meanwhile, the Google Page Speed API keeps an eye on your site's loading time. It helps to flag pages that need optimization before they start driving visitors away. To ensure your site stays properly indexed, set up Google Search Console alerts to notify you whenever there's an indexing issue or a major error that needs attention. Again, use Make.com to automate these alerts, sending updates straight to your inbox or Slack. This way, you always know what needs fixing without constantly monitoring dashboards. Tracking your SEO performance is essential, but drowning in endless analytics dashboards can be overwhelming. Instead of manually sifting through data, use Google Looker Studio. You can pull live data directly from Google Analytics, creating interactive reports that show traffic trends, user behavior, and conversions in an easy-to-read format. To keep an eye on keyword performance, SEO ranking automatically monitors search rankings. It's a great way to see which strategies are working and what adjustments are needed. But raw data alone isn't enough. You need actionable insights. That's where Make.com comes in again. It generates AI-powered reports that summarize your SEO performance, highlighting key wins and areas for improvement. This can also be automated again using Make.com, which sends updates straight to your inbox so you're always in the loop. Now let's look at the cost breakdown. One of the biggest advantages of using AI SEO agents is cost savings. A full-time SEO team will cost you anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 per month. That's serious budget drain, especially if you're running a small agency or a solo business. But with AI agents, you can automate the bulk of your SEO work for as little as $100 to $500 per month, depending on the tools you choose. That's like hiring an entire SEO department for the cost of a few fancy coffees a day. And imagine how much you'd be saving yearly. 40% of marketeers have reported 6 to 10% increase in revenue after using AI-powered SEO tools. Think about it. Instead of paying multiple salaries, dealing with team management, and waiting days for reports, AI can do everything in real time without delays, sick leaves, or creative blocks, no pun intended. As AI continues to improve, we can expect even smarter automation, better content generation, and more advanced search algorithms that adapt in real time. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below, share your thoughts, and let me know if you're ready to build your own SEO AI team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.